So hello friends, my name is Denny and welcome back to PNU International's exclusive YouTube channel. As you can see here, I've come to Busan National University's main gate waiting for one of my good friends to film a video about the Muslim world here in South Korea, in Busan to be more specific. Long time no see, man.
Long time no see, buddy.
Long time no see.
So my name is Laith. I'm from Jordan. I'm like about 25 years old. I'm pretty old.
You have to say the age.
Yeah, it's true, yeah.
Because we're in South Korea.
Everybody asks about the age and it's so important thing to...
Right. They don't really care about your name. They just go straight to the age.
Exactly. Today we are going to an Indian restaurant rated to be halal food.
I'm super excited to try Indian food because I've never tried Indian cuisine before in my life.
Impossible.
I feel like I've been living under a rock now.
We are gonna try it.
Right. So we are going to try this Indian restaurant which is located at PNU's, by the way.
Super convenient, super close.
Alright. Dude, it's literally located in front of the university, but I've never been here before.
Go from the main gate over here. It's just like around like, I would say 100 meters. Alright, let's go. 안녕하세요. It's kind of nice outside. Today it's sunny and it's so beautiful. That's samosa. And that's what we like.
And we get some fancy drink here. Yo, a cheese naan with some curry. Oh, the consistency seems very interesting as well. Would you get it, brother?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have like any specific way to eat it, like with your hands?
I usually eat it with my hands.
Okay, let's eat it.
It's kind of nice.
Wow.
See, like,
show it to the camera.
You see it good? Oh, now it's focused.
Okay. It's nice.
It's kind of like the sour spice.
And this cheese.
Cheese. The cheese inside. You guys like can see the cheese. Just like it's like pizza.
It really looks like Korean pizza.
It's very good,
dude.
But even without it, you know, even without the curry, like the cheese inside the bread is wow.
God bless India.
God bless India.
This sauce is amazing.
Chicken curry.
Dude, the curry is the best. Alright, so for the second round, we're going to this Burrito Restaurant.
They serve beef. They serve also chicken. Burritos. There you go.
Are they closed?
It's closed.
Dang it. So we've just decided to have a kebab. Again, I've never tried a kebab in my life before. Never. I feel like I've only been eating kimchi here and that's it. Yeah.
But actually, like nowadays, like if I have a food without kimchi, I feel like there's something wrong.
Yo,
I swear.
Right.
Just like I've been eating kimchi for 4 years right now.
So yeah,
everything is like kimchi.
Right.
Ah, the kitty. Okay.
Oh, alright. He hates you. Is it a he? But yeah. Oh, this is a very fat kitty.
Damn boy, thick.
This guy is like, don't touch me, but look at me.
Yeah.
Originally, we were going to this kebab place, but I stumbled upon Bubble freaking tea, Singfu Tang. I know it's quite famous in Taiwan. Again, it's at PNU area, but I've never tried this one before. Got our bubble tea.
Yep.
Dude, let's do a cheers here.
Cheers.
Let's see.
Okay, I would say like it's so sweet. Yeah, it's good.
It tastes quite similar, but I think the tapioca inside the boba isn't like chewy as the ones that you can find in Taiwan or Indonesia. you know, we're planning to have a kebab. But since, you know, there's a lot of restaurants here.
We're going to the alien country right now. I don't know, country, city, whatever. Like, it's the UFOs, boy. I'm tempted with this one, yeah.
You're tempted with the grilled chicken breast vegetable salad burger.
Eat closest.
Eat closest. This is magic. But that's why they call it the UFO. I thought it's like a small tiny burger, but literally they put a lot inside. This is yours.
Oh la la.
Oh la la. Cheers. Again, this looks very small. Actually, very filling and very big.
I think I'm just gonna come here also.
Dude, this will be like your next kebab. So now we're going to a mosque and it's located at Tusil station.
Before the coronavirus started, like I used to go every Friday, and it's super close to PNU. It's like around
2 or 3 stations, I think. Yeah. So we're going this way, which is at exit number 8. Keep going straight. Keep going straight, and
keep going straight.
Voila!
Ah yeah, voila.
See
the mosque over there?
Oh!
You can exit from the right.
Yeah.
Here's the mosque. Can you see it on the camera?
It's very close to the station.
Yeah.
I think we only walked within like 5 minutes. There's another halal restaurant here.
Like, most of the people actually like they go to the mosque first, and then after that, like after they finish the
pray,
and they go to this restaurant like to have lunch. This place, like they sell halal meat if you want halal meat, for lamb meat I think, and some beef. Everything is like halal in there. They used to regularly just like do the prayers. They do it inside the mosque like 4 or 5 times a day. Especially on Fridays, like most of the Muslim students, they come to this mosque, not only from PNU, but actually from the other universities as well. Also, like it's a bonus point like to PNU, because people from PNU, they can reach here like I think in just 5 minutes,
yeah,
10 minutes.
Super close.
10 minutes maximum.
Obviously, before COVID-19, it's more lively, right?
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah, yeah.
there'll be like more people coming here. But now, yeah, again, social distancing. Not even mosques, but like even churches, they are limiting the time and the people. It just shows how serious the Korean government wants to flatten the COVID-19 curve. So we've come to this cafe near the mosque, and yeah, so late. I forgot the question.
I forgot the questions. Good job. Honestly, like I don't think it's super hard to live in Busan as a Muslim person. You have so many options all the time. There are some vegan options, there are some seafoods, so you can like rest your mind and just go and eat like in different places. At the beginning, I would say like I had a cultural shock from different aspects, but at the same time I would say that there are differences and there are similarities, and the only thing that you can focus on is the similarities, and you will have like find much easier.
I think it's not only applied for like Muslim persons,
Muslims or like non-Muslims,
like everyone, because me coming from Indonesia right after graduating high school, it was very tough at first, but once you get used to the culture, to the language, it will go smooth.
It will like indeed go much easier.
We've been here for almost 5 years.
Almost 5 years by this point, yeah.
I still remember the first time when I came here. It was like very different.
For the government, I would say that they are super friendly. Like they don't have the racism about like Islam, like Muslims in general. Like they allow to have mosques, they allow to have temples, and you have like the freedom of believing of whatever you want, and like nobody will care. Like it's your belief, do whatever you want. Like you have to live in the dormitory sometimes, like for the first semester. They give you the chance to choose that you don't want to eat in the school restaurant, and instead like they offer you a kitchen inside the dormitory, like for Muslim people, also like I think for Hindus. So if you want to cook your own food inside the dormitory, like they have also a kitchen that you can just access it whenever you want, make your own food and eat it. Also like in Korea, the delivery system is super good. If you want to find halal meat, you can go to the mosque and you can just buy the meat from there, or you can actually like buy it online. There's like a website in Korea called The Halal Guys or Yes Halal. You can go there and just like order whatever you want and cook your own meal. Yeah. I would say like don't be afraid. People in Busan also are like super friendly. Like they are curious about you and about your religion more than they are criticizing. Muslim, Christian, Jewish, whatever like your religion is, like actually nobody cares.
Yeah, nobody really
nobody
cares
actually
about it.
cares. Like you would never actually face a problem because of just your religion.
Right, people would really will judge you based on the overall personality.
Like exactly, like they will judge you on what you do actually.
How you treat other people.
There is actually a big Muslim community here, something called like the Cacao group. Like even during the, I would say the anniversaries or the festivals that Muslims have, like Eid al-Adha, Eid al-Fitr, we celebrate it and we do actually like the prayer in the mosque. It's actually cool like to see diversified cultures and so many people from other countries that are Muslim and they're doing so well in their lives.
Alright, so that's all for today's video. I hope it will give some kind of insight about how Muslim people live here in Busan, South Korea. And yeah, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and also subscribe, and maybe also share it to your friends as well, because it really helps with the performance of this YouTube channel. Again, my name is Danny.
My name is Lai.
And see you on my next video. Bye!
Goodbye.